Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Geo class. Today we will discuss the last topic from this chapter, Minerals and Rocks. That is rock cycle. So basically, rocks do not remain in a single form for a very long period. Means rock structure it keeps on changing. The older rocks break down and converted into new rocks. And the cycle which it follows, that cycle is called as rock cycle. So we will discuss the rock cycle and some of the process related to that. So let's start. This is the picture. This is the picture which you will find in your book at the last page about the rock cycle. So what this show, there are metamorphic rocks, magma, igneous rocks, sedimentaries and sedimentary rocks. Now we all know that the primary rock out of these three is igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks, means from this rocks the other two form. Okay, so igneous rocks under great temperature and pressure it convert into metamorphic rocks. So just follow the arrows. Okay, we will see each and every arrow, but I have started from these primary rocks, igneous rocks, because all other two rocks comes into their forms from igneous rock only. So igneous rocks on great temperature and pressure converted into metamorphic rocks. Okay, igneous rock also while converting into metamorphic rocks or you can say sedimentary rocks it break down into small sediments also means 100% rock is not converted into metamorphic rocks, some parts some fragments due to you can say weathering and erosions. Weathering basically means wear tear of rocks. Okay, that can be with the help of heat, that can be with the help of cold. Okay, erosion we all know like wind erosions, everything's uh, river erosions which wear tear the rock. So igneous rocks after weathering and erosion it convert into sediments and this sediments can convert into the sedimentary rocks with a process called as lithification. What is lithification? So lithification basically is a process in which sediments compact under pressure and gradually become a solid rock. How? You can see this with the help of this diagram here. Now when we are talking about how these sedimentary rocks are made. First, weathering, wear and tear. This wear and tear will be transported with the help of again the erosions and the erosion will be transported somewhere which will be deposited. There will be depositions of sediments ultimately led to the lithification and the sedimentary rocks. Okay, this is the process for making the sedimentary rocks. कैसे weathering और erosion होती है, वो transport होती है sediments को, deposition होती है sediments की, lithification होती है process and under the pressure that sediments converted into the sedimentary rocks. So this is the example. This is how you will find a solid rocks after the lithification of sedimentary rocks. Now this sedimentary rock, okay, can convert directly into the metamorphic rocks under great temperature and pressure. We know that metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous rocks and the sedimentary rocks. So कहने का मतलब है both the rocks can be transformed into metamorphic rocks. Now the process by which it take place is called as the metamorphism. So what is metamorphism? Basically a rock which is already a solid rock, that rock will again go into the recrystallization process. It will be again reorganized, the material will be reorganized, and that will result into the metamorphic rocks under a process of metamorphisms. आपने देखा था, we have studied in the last video that the space between the sedimentary rocks is quite a large as compared to igneous and metamorphic rocks. So when the sedimentary rocks will comes under a temperature and great pressure, that space will shrink, and that will lead to the recrystallization of the rock. So metamorphism basically a process by which already consolidated rocks undergoes recrystallization and reorganization of material within the original rocks. So it will form, sedimentary rocks will form metamorphic under the, you can say, मेटामॉर्फिज्म। ओके, यहाँ तक आई होप आपको ये साइकिल क्लियर हो गया। नेक्स्ट, when the sedimentary rock is converted into metamorphic rocks, that also result into some wear tear, and some part of the metamorphic rocks will be converted into the sediments, and these sediments again can form the sedimentary rocks. Now you can see this arrow which says that even the formation of sedimentary rocks will also left out with some sediments which can come again to form a rock. So sedimentary rock से भी sediments बन सकते हैं, metamorphic rock से भी sediments बन सकते हैं, और igneous rock से भी sediments बन सकते हैं, because weathering, erosion, deposition ये सारी processes जो है ये चलती रहती है. Okay, so sediments can form from igneous rocks, sediments can form from metamorphic rocks, sediments can form from itself sedimentary rocks, or ultimately they can lead to the lithification. Now this we have already discussed, and we also know that the primary rock, igneous rock, is formed from molten magma in the interiors as well as the on the surface of the earth. So this you can simply match this igneous rock, you can simply match this, and this is what is called as the solidification. Okay, when magma cools down, it solidify into igneous rock. यहाँ तक तो आपको क्लियर है, it's almost a circle. ठीक है, only this part is remained, and this part is remained, and this part is remained. So what will happen that all the rocks which are formed, they also go into the subduction process. Means when there is a plate tectonics, yes, when there is a collision of plates, when there is a subduction of plates, तो काफी plates, काफी rock एक दूसरे के अंदर आ जाते हैं. Then ultimately this rocks will go into the depth of the earth, and as it goes to the depth of the earth, it will again feel the high pressure, resulting the solid rocks irrespective of अगर वो metamorphic rocks हैं, sedimentary rocks हैं, magma हैं, igneous rocks हैं, they all will convert into the molten material. So igneous rocks will, if it goes down, okay, so it will be converted into, after melting it will be converted into magma. Okay, metamorphic rocks will also after melting will be converted into magma, and the sedimentary rocks will also be converted into magma after what, melting. Means when the rocks go down to the uh, mantle or inner core, there they will have a very high temperature and pressure, ultimately resulting into the you can say melting of that rock, and again that molten material will result into magma, and then again you can form the same cycle. Igneous rock बन सकता है, sedimentary rocks बन सकते हैं, and many other rocks can form from that system. So means it is a cyclic process. There's just a transformation of rocks from the sorry, from the old rocks to the new rock. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. One more, see, lithification is one of the process of sedimentary rock. Metamorphism, foliation or lineation or banding. These three are related to metamorphic rocks. These three processes are related to metamorphic rocks. तो ये क्या processes होते हैं? Metamorphism we have already done. Next is lineation or foliation. Means what does it mean? That in this process of metamorphism, some rocks grains, sorry, it is grain here, गलत लिख गया, and minerals get arranged in a layer or lines. Means when there is a recrystallization process taking place, metamorphism process take place, some grains, rock grains, okay, and the minerals they get arranged in a layers. For example, so see this picture. In this picture, you will see that lineation is taking place. The grain, rock size grain are formed in a layer. So यहाँ पे layers बन गई हैं rock के अंदर. You can see that these are some of the layers in the rocks. So this layers and the arrangements of minerals comes under the process of lineation or foliation. Okay. The last process related to metamorphic rock is called as bending. So what is bending? Bending क्या होती है? It's a structure of metamorphic rocks. ठीक है, ये metamorphic rocks में होती है in which the minerals or materials of different groups are arranged in an alternative thin to thick layer appearing in light and dark shades. What does this mean? That you will find bending is a process in which the different materials of the rocks arrange themselves in a dark and light layers. That is what is called as bending, or you can call it as a thin and thick layers. Okay, bending का मतलब है when in a metamorphic rocks the material of different you can say compositions they arrange themselves in dark to light shade. So you can easily see that this is the dark shade and this is the light shade. Okay, or thin to thick shade. So this is the thin shade, this is the thick shade. Okay, the process under which this process takes place is called as bending. Okay, I hope it is clear to you what is bending, what is lineation, what is lithifications and the rock cycle. By this we have completed our chapter minerals and rocks. Any doubt you can message me, contact me. We will also take the doubts on Monday. Just go through this and we will do the MCQs and the exercise at the end on Monday. Okay, I will be sharing the notes related to this chapter. Just write that in your notebook. Thank you.